Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can edit Webflow code outside of Webflow, so let's get started. First, open your Webflow project and go to the project settings. Navigate to the Export Code tab. Here, you'll see an option to export your site as a zip file. Click it and download the full code package to your computer. Once downloaded, unzip the folder. Inside, you'll find all the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and asset files for your site. You can now open these files in any code editor you prefer, such as VS Code, Sublime Text, or Atom. From here, you can edit the code directly, change styles in the CSS, tweak HTML structure, or add custom JavaScript functionality. Just make sure you save your changes after editing. After making edits, you can preview the site locally by opening the HTML files in your browser. When you're ready to publish, you'll need to host the site externally, because Webflow doesn't allow re-uploading edited code back into Webflow. Popular hosting options include Netlify, Vercel, or any traditional web host. And that's it. You now know how to take your Webflow project and edit it outside of Webflow for full custom control. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.